So we had this wonderful harvest from the gobo. It's been in the ground for about 6 months, and now we're gonna to soak to get the thickest dirt. And this one you wanted to scrub, scrub until it gets white.
She really wants to take the dirt out because she's gonna make tea out of the skin.
So this one is kind of older. We can harvest it younger too. 3 months we can already start to harvest. But 6 months they get thicker and with some roots thinner too, like that. And here it's just hard to take all the dirt. The dirt, we just want to take all, but it is okay if we have some. We can eat dirt, it's good for us. And the skin now, what I wanted to do, it is scrape like this. Why this is not the pillar? Because like this, you take only the skin, not the thing together, right? The root. And this tea will dry, and it's really good like for immune system and for blood pressure. Also, it's really good, tasty tea. Now we cut really thin, and to keep it white, to not oxidize, we put in the water. So here I soaked it a little bit in vinegar, the gobo, to take the bitterness out. It is burdock, the name in English. Gobo is Japanese. It is very traditional in Japan. They eat a lot of this. And today we're gonna make a dish from Japanese called Kinpira. Gonna be basically the gobo sauteed with carrots, and I'm gonna be adding a little bit sake, soy sauce. I use the maple syrup instead of sugar, and a little bit mirin. And I might add some sesame seeds too, and sesame oil. Yeah, so we're gonna be straining this out and prepare to cook. So the sesame oil, I just add a little bit in the end when it's almost done, just for taste. And the sesame seeds I'm gonna also toast a little bit and mix in the end when it's done. And then I'm gonna cook this a little bit more, like 10 minutes, or less, 5 minutes, and then add the carrots. And then totally be cooking for about 40 minutes. Now add the carrots. And we cook all in middle low, not too hot. And then here you tasting if you need to add anything from the other ingredients. We adding. You don't want it to get too dry. Just you're gonna be cooking with some kind of liquid, right? Can be soy sauce or sake. Yes. Here's ready Kinpira gobo or burdock. This is really great to clean the blood, to have high blood pressure. It's a really good food to be eating. They got it brown because the sugar caramelized, right, in the soy sauce. put some sesame seeds. Before I finish to saute, I add some sesame oil, just a little bit, and the sesame seeds now.